Feet fungus, including athlete's foot and toenail fungus, are a common troublesome condition that affects countless individuals worldwide. This condition not only causes discomfort and embarrassment, but can also lead to more serious health issues if left untreated. While traditional medicines like Lamisil or terbinafine and clotrimazole are often recommended by doctors, there is an increased number of people looking for more natural remedies. And here's the thing, these remedies are not only effective, but also come with fewer side effects than traditional treatments. So in this video, I'm excited to share with you effective home remedies that can help get rid of fungus in the toenails and feet. DrJedosaThePharmD here, welcome and please like and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Soak your feet in apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar is more than just a staple in your kitchen. It is a powerful natural remedy for your health, especially when it comes to fighting fungal infections. You see, the acidity of the vinegar creates an environment where fungus struggles to survive, and as a result, it helps prevent it from growing and spreading. Now, imagine treating your feet to a relaxed soak after a long day by simply mixing equal parts of apple cider vinegar with water. And here's the best part, you only need about 20 to 30 minutes once a day in this mixture, which not only helps fend off fungus, but also alleviate any itching and peeling skin. It's like a spa treatment for your feet with health benefits. Just remember, to dry your feet well afterward is key, as moisture can create a favorable environment for fungus to grow. Number 2. Garlic. This is another powerful antifungal remedy. Garlic not only adds flavor to our foods, but it is also known to have potent antifungal and antibacterial properties due to its compound called allicin. Interestingly, when it comes to treating fungus in your feet, something as simple as garlic can be quite effective. And here's how you can activate garlic's full potential. By crushing or chopping garlic, you release its potent compound allicin, which can be applied directly to the fungal area. Or alternatively, you can soak your feet in a garlic soak, which can be easily prepared by mixing crushed garlic with warm water. But the benefits of garlic do not stop there. Adding garlic to your daily diet can also strengthen your immune system, giving your body an extra edge in fighting off infections, including fungal infections. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is extracted from the leaves of an Australian native tea tree. It stands out for its antifungal and antiseptic properties. Because of its natural antiseptic properties, tea tree oil has been used for many years for different skin conditions, including fungus in the feet. Now, to use it safely, it's crucial to dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil. And you can do this by mixing a few drops of tea tree oil with a tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil to minimize any skin irritation. Once diluted, the mixture can be applied directly to the affected area using a cotton swab. And for optimal results, it has been shown that applying tea tree oil twice daily can significantly reduce the fungal infections in your toenails and feet, thanks to its ability to penetrate deep into the skin and nails. Number 4. Oregano Oil. This is a natural powerhouse packed with powerful compounds like thymol and carvacrol, which have been shown to help fight off fungal infections. Now, here's an interesting point. Just like tea tree oil, to use it safely and effectively, you need to mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil. Think coconut oil or olive oil. This step is crucial to prevent any skin irritation, and a recommended mix is usually 1 part oregano oil to 3 parts carrier oil. And once you have your mixture ready, simply use a cotton ball to apply it gently to the affected area. You see, this method is not only easy, but also ensures that you get most healing benefits from oregano oil. Number 5. Baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is quite powerful when it comes to fighting fungal infections. And here's why. It can absorb moisture and has alkaline properties, which together create an environment that fungi do not like and cannot survive in. You see, fungi tend to grow in warm and moist areas. So you may be wondering, how can I use baking soda? Well, it's simple and straightforward. Either you can make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it directly to the affected areas. Then wash it off after 10 to 20 minutes. Or you can sprinkle some baking soda in your shoes and socks to keep your feet nice and dry. By doing this, you disrupt the conditions in which fungi thrive. And here's the deal. With the regular application, you will start to notice less itching and discomfort, and over time, the fungus in your feet will start to improve. Now, as we wrap up this video, we have discussed a few incredible natural remedies for getting rid of fungus in the feet. But it does not stop here. There are more remedies that have been shown to fight fungal infections, not just on the feet, but also on toenails. These include using hydrogen peroxide, applying Vicks VapoRub, soaking your feet in an Epsom salt bath, applying coconut oil, and maintaining a healthy diet. But also keep this in mind, for each of these remedies, it's crucial to keep the area clean and dry. And before applying these remedies to the affected area, always do a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure there is no unwanted reactions. Plus, if you are living with diabetes, make sure your feet are checked by your doctor because foot infection can lead to more serious problems such as diabetes foot ulcers. And there you have it. Remember, knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching.